In this video, we will see how to enable or disable dark mode in Windows Notepad. So let's see how we can do this thing. At first, we need to open Notepad and then we have to click this gear icon or settings. We just need to click here, it will be expanded. And from the settings at the top, there is appearance section and there is app theme. We just need to click anywhere of this area. You can either click this small arrow or anywhere here, it will be expanded. Now right now here it is showing use system settings option is enabled. To make it dark mode, we just need to click here and it will be dark mode. Now we can press this back button and very shortly we'll see the dark mode is enabled of our notepad. And if you want to disable it, the same way you have to go settings and then you have to click app theme and then you have to choose light, then it will be light theme. So in this way you can make the theme either dark or light based on your own preference.